Hi guys, welcome to our channel Pause for Kisses. So this is Kavya.
And he's Kaushik. So we are serial binge watchers. We can finish any series in a day.
So we recently watched The Royals on Netflix and we had been hearing all the buzz around the series on social media, all kinds of reviews from various peoples and podcasts, but we really wanted to share our reviews, our reactions to the particular series. So here we are.
Money, new blood, rolling out the red rug. Cause we coming at the scene, cause I got the genes. Coming from a long line of kings and queens. Royal, sheen, royal, taking whatever we please. Royal, कदमों पे मेरे है दुनिया झुकी. Who rules the world, हमें हुए ही.
काफी ज्यादा नेगेटिव रिव्यूज सुनने को मिल रहे हैं. But I don't think it's that bad. What do you think?
Yeah, it's actually a decent series. The storyline is good.
Yeah.
The casting is good. The character build-up is very good. I mean, the names like Zeenat Aman, Chunky Pandey, Dino Moria, Nora Fatehi. Okay, Nora Fatehi, I didn't know. It
We
was
didn't
a
know
surprise
about that.
for me.
Yeah. Sakshi Tanwar.
And Bhumi and of course Ishan.
Yeah.
It was a cast because of which we started watching this
And
series.
honestly, I did not have a lot of expectations with Ishan, but he was a surprise element because he really did good after ages, so to say, but he was phenomenal. But let's get started with what is this series about?
This series, according to me, is basically about a royal family of a fictional city, Morpur,
Yeah.
and a girl who is in a hospitality startup and looking to collaborate with the royal family so that she's building a royal B&B where the commoners get a touch of the royal lifestyle, living along with them in their palaces. From Ishan's point of view, it is basically they are trying to save their family from the monetary difficulties that they are facing. His father just passed away. The entire family meets back for a will reading.
Yeah.
And they suddenly find out that all the money they had is transferred to someone called Maurice.
Maurice.
And
who was a surprise element until the end. For that, you have
Exactly.
to watch the Royals. This was all about the series. And mainly, but I want to ask, what is this name called Work Potato? And for a hospitality business,
who names a startup Work Potato?
yeah, and that too, okay, if it was about a fooding business, समझ आता है. But hospitality के लिए या royal families के साथ काम करने के लिए जब आपको पूरा work ही उसी around है, what is Work Potato? So let's start with the casting.
Yeah. So
जिसके लिए हम गए थे देखने के लिए.
So we have Ishan Khattar and Bhumi Pednikar in our lead roles.
Yeah.
And
Ishan
one of the weirdest pairing that I have ever seen in
Weirdest.
any web series or movies.
The chemistry was so off. See, and मैं यहाँ हम लोग यहाँ bash करने नहीं आए series को,
Yeah.
जो कि बाकी सब लोग कर रहे हैं. We actually like the series, but this pairing, there was no chemistry at
There
all.
was no chemistry. Ishan's chemistry with his horses was better.
Correct. उसके horses के साथ, नौरा के साथ भी, किसी के भी साथ बहुत अच्छी थी. इनफैक्ट the side roles जो भी उसके flings थे, उनके साथ भी उसकी chemistry कितनी लाजवाब थी. लेकिन with भूमि was looking, I know वो उसने बहुत weight reduce किया है, वो पतली सी हो गई है, but वो age में उससे काफी बड़ी लग रही थी. It was looking like she's his दीदी. So पता नहीं इन दोनों को pairing क्यों की. There are such good actors in the line. Ananya Pandey would have been fab for this role. A royal work bee, she would have been a perfect fit for the role.
I would have even loved Sharvari in the role.
Correct. Sharvari is also a new face and who is doing wonders.
She's a great actor.
Exactly. Rasha would have been so good. And what was this Bhumi? मतलब पता नहीं भूमि का graph from
दम लगा के
हाइशा to now the graph is so down. अब तो उसके केवल मतलब उसकी एक्टिंग में चाहे वो हंस रही है, चाहे वो रो रही है, चाहे वो कुछ भी कर रही है, her face is just what is that?
In every fucking scene.
In every scene. And what is this with too much of intimate scenes? I mean, it was really not needed.
Yeah, the chemistry would have been fire. People might have enjoyed the
Correct.
intimate scenes.
Correct.
But we are seeing negative reactions all over the internet.
Yeah, even when I was watching it, I was constantly telling him, क्या किया है? And when I watched Instagram, I was like, okay, I'm not the only one who feels this.
So the storyline is decent. Ishan trying to save his family. First he was trying to sell off everything and leave for New York.
Yeah.
But then he stayed back after an instigation from Bhumi.
Yeah.
Entire series was not bad. The casting was awesome. The support cast is awesome.
Yeah. In fact, I felt this. It's not something copied. It is a fresh series with fresh script. So ये चीज बहुत अच्छी थी. Casting brilliant थी apart from one. So
First of all, Zeenat Aman, the legend, the class, evergreen actor.
yeah,
We really needed more of her in the series,
Yeah.
although we didn't get that.
yeah,
There's a scene when she is locked inside a room for one whole day, and when the room opens, it's full of smoke. So she was a smoke show, no doubt.
हाँ.
She's always been a great actor, but obviously we can never have enough of these actors.
Then it is Sakshi Tanwar, Maharani Padmaja, aka Paddy.
Paddy.
And to be honest, the first scene when I watched her, मेरे दिल में बजा था क्योंकि
सास
सास भी कभी बहू थी. I was like ये यहाँ भी रोने वाली है क्या? मतलब we are over it. हमने बचपन में बहुत देखा है. But to my surprise, she was so refreshing. उनका एक्ट हो, चाहे the elder ones, Zeenat Aman and Sakshi smoking up in the evening, बच्चों से छुप के, that was something really hilarious.
I even loved her chemistry with Chunky Pandey.
Yeah, her chemistry with Chunky Pandey, like a love affair and like a flirtatious thing with different a guy as well, who was Aisha's father. And she's a brilliant actress, to be very honest. And with the jewels and everything, I was like, okay, meko de do thoda sa. And I understand her obsession with paintings and jewelry.
But their whole empire was crumbling,
Yeah.
and she was spending lakhs in jewelries and painting.
But okay, chalta
So
hai.
basically, it's their quest to maintain their heavy lifestyle,
Correct.
to bring back balance to their royal family.
The next surprise element is Nora
Nora.
Fateh. That is Aisha Dondi. I mean, we were really shocked क्योंकि उससे just पहले we saw Bhumi and Ishan का dance. Bhumi was looking like a joker, to be very honest. She can't dance. She can't bring that energy. But as soon as Nora came, we were like, oh my god, is she also in this series? And then they danced. The dance was phenomenal. I was like, wow, they should do this more. In fact, I felt Nora acted way better than Bhumi because at least Nora overacting कर रही थी तो वो दिख रहा था कि वो overacting कर रही है. भूमि का कोई चीज नहीं समझ आया था. अगर वो गुस्सा भी हो रही थी तो भी लग रहा था क्या कर रही हो, ऐसे बोल रही थी. What is this acting?
Another two supporting actors, Aviraj's brother and sister, Diggy and Jimmy. But they were so good in their particular roles.
Diggy being a chef, it was refreshing. In fact, Diggy की acting मेरे को काफी अच्छी लगी. He should get more roles because he also got some fun element in it. Also showed his insecurity. I mean, he really played it well. And also his talent with being a great chef but not being able to showcase to the world because he's the royal. So it also showcased the difficult life of the royals.
And his sweet relationship with the palace worker,
Yeah,
that was also very good.
very cute.
Yeah, very interesting. And his sister, Ginny, who didn't know that she was a gay when the series started, but
Yeah.
eventually she discovered her sexuality
Yeah,
as we progressed on the show. Yeah, she did a really good job.
yeah. She really performed really well.
And Milind Soman, the late Maharaja Yugnath, Aviraj's father. You know, most of his appearances are in a flashback, but whenever he appeared on the screen, oh my god, what a screen presence, what a powerful aura. Like, he really justified the role of a Maharaja.
He should have gotten more screen
Yeah.
time, I feel.
Not to give you many spoilers, but even he discovered his sexuality on the show.
This was a spoiler. Sorry, we gave you a spoiler. But I guess you all must have already watched it.
Yeah.
It's our take on the series. Last but not the least, Dino Moria, aka Salad,
Nawab Salad.
the flirty Salad who wants to get the dressing done. Oh my god, he was hilarious. Yes, it is a rom-com, so the comedy was Dino Moria for us.
So the whole series was a good one, a good watch. It has 8 episodes, around 40-45 minutes each. And if you leave aside the chemistry between Ishan and Bhumi's acting, I would rate the casting as 5 out of 5. But for Bhumi, I'd cut half a point. So 4.5 for casting.
Yeah,
And I think we could
Series?
give for the storyline,
I think 3.5.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
three
an
and a half
average
is
of
good.
overall rating of around 4.
Yeah,
So I won't say a must watch, but like if you like the Royals,
one time watch
if you
this
like
definitely.
amazing clothes, if you like awesome jewelry, and a good, engaging, fun to watch series,
Yeah.
you can go for it on your weekend binge.
And also a special mention for the royal families. It really showed us how big and beautiful their royal palaces are, but also उनकी क्या difficulties रहती है. So imagine एक इतना बड़ा palace को वो लोग पेंट, restructuring and everything कराने में कितने पैसे जाते होंगे. And also there is hospitality everywhere. There are so many workers who are in the palace who are working for them. So obviously maintaining all these things are very difficult for the royals. So hats off to the actual real royal families of India. I mean,
Obviously, there's a lot of taam jam maintaining a proper royal lifestyle. Why do you think so many palaces in India are turning into hotels? I
Not
mind
saying-
it's a good opportunity
Yeah.
for us to stay in palaces, I guess. And that's the royal B&B business that Bhumi is trying
Bhumi
to
is trying
build
to-
on this
yeah.
show.
Story of Sophia and Fizzy is cute, but the casting is not so much.
Just Bhumi, I guess.
Yeah, it's just Bhumi. Ishan was a power package. He really
Shan was an awesome performer. Each and every scene that he has ruled, his body is absolutely chiseled. His bond with his horses, his acting in various emotional scenes, in romantic scenes, sensual scenes, angry scenes. I mean, he was spot on.
He was
Shan,
spot
you
on.
have really raised your bar.
And yes, he has a lot of glimpse of Shahid, my favorite of my childhood, the cute chocolate boy. He's a replica of Shahid. Of course, not at par with Shahid. It'll take him time, but I can see a lot of glimpse of Shahid in him. So he's a really promising actor.
Yeah,
and he
his
seems
dance,
to be,
his
yeah.
acting, his dialect delivery. You can
Everything.
see a lot of Shahid.
Leave your comments. What is your point of view about the series?
Like, comment, subscribe.
And share.
Yeah, and we'll see you on our next vlog. Keep
Keep
watching our channel.
Pause for Kisses.